how you can see your screen time on TikTok. Basically, what you need to do is open your TikTok application and log in into your account, and then go to the menu bar. Here, you can see settings and privacy, tap on it, and scroll down to screen time under content and display. After tapping on it, you can see the summary of your screen time. Here you can see how much total screen time you've had, daytime, nighttime. As you can see, my screen time on Tuesday is about 4 minutes, whereas today it is about 1 minute. And you can also see how many times you've opened your TikTok. Or you may also go week-wise and see your summary. Let's say I'm going on August 25. On August 25, I've opened my TikTok 0 times. Time spent on Friday, I've spent about 42 minutes. Again, let me scroll down to another date, September 8th. On September 8th, I've only spent about 10 minutes on that account. This way, I can see the summary. Whereas you may also set your screen time to manage your screen time on your phone. Or you may get screen time breaks on the option, or get sleep reminders on the third. Or you may also get weekly screen time updates. If you tap on that option, you'll get the update. If you don't want it, just turn it off. So in this way, you can see the screen time on your TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching.